No,
Ow.
we're gonna pass the river.
Right now we're going to British. Oh, this is what we're doing. Okay, going through the water right now. We're in a truck. There's a tour guide. He's a busted foot. I don't know if we're gonna make it out alive. Because our tour guide has two types colored sandals and one broken toe. I don't really know. It's true. Oh, that's where they're coming. They're coming. You watch out. They come in. They come in to feed. Sawaddi, Patong, and Resort and Spa. So they put us in one of these. And now they transferred us to one of those like pickup trucks that turned into like a little thing where they transport soldiers in the back of the truck. It's one of those. So.
5 minutes.
The tour guide's just hanging on. So
They're just like, yeah, it's true.
show you. See that? That's bait right there. Basically, right there. That's the driver. So we're gonna hang on right now.
No,
Ow.
we're gonna pass the river.
Right now we're going to British. Oh, this is what we're doing. Okay, going through the water right now. We're in a truck. There's a tour guide. He's a busted foot. I don't know if we're gonna make it out alive. Because our tour guide has two types colored sandals and one broken toe. I don't really know. It's true. It's true. Our tour guide has two mismatching colored sandals and one broken toe. Make it out alive. We are slowly getting on top of the mountain right now. We still don't know where we're going. All we know is there's another car chasing us. We're gonna pass the river right now. We just made it out here in Kechor, and this is apparently the site where we're gonna be going to explore, to look for some wild Pokemon. I spotted a wild Pokemon right there. Right there. We got told to wear these army uniforms. We're currently wearing these army uniforms for the red clan. I don't know why, but we'll see. I also got told to wear these contraptions, which they call sandals. So that's our new tour guide, not the guy with the broken toe. I don't know what's going on right now, guys. I'll let you know in a bit.
Before I take you to meet the elephants, all the details to where I booked the elephant sanctuary experience and prices are in the description below. If you liked the video so far, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Now, back to the video.
Holy. This is the baby one. This is probably the mom. No, this is part of the mom. That's probably the dad, but that's a big one. Oh man. Oh my jeebus. These are domestic elephants, which is basically the safer ones that are like, they know what to do. There's a wild elephants in the wild that will probably attack you, and that's what they have been saying, the tour guides. Forest. We're following all the elephants. Following all the elephants to the next trail where they gotta take a bath. And me, I'm not taking one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Notice where they're coming. They're coming. They coming. They coming to feed. They're all joining the feed right now. Sanctuary right now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elephants right now. 6 elephants just roaming around.
And look here.
Oh, he's spraying y'all. He's spraying y'all back. Oh. It's because you guys are doing so much, they're doing it back. After that, what they do is they go over to this dirt and they just take this and they fluff it over themselves. It's kind of like their sunscreen, their skin barrier protection. Everyone knows how to do it. Helps them on the back. Sunscreen, so then it doesn't like burn them. The sun doesn't burn. Pretty cool how they just know how to do that.
For centuries, elephants have been deeply ingrained in Thai culture and history, and today I had a pleasant experience witnessing it all. At the end of the day, the tour guide shuttled me back to Phuket from Kechor Elephant Park. See you all in the next video. I bought one of these, so 150 baht for one whole squid, deep fried, with some sort of seasoning on it. I want to see. Let's see if I like this or not. What's up, everybody? I just found my lunch. So right now, I know I cannot get enough